Hello everyone and welcome to In Your Space by Milagro Interiors. In this video I'm going to be talking about how to bring spring into your living room, and I have 5 simple steps. Hello spring, you have finally arrived and we're so very grateful. Accessorizing for each season is the key to keeping a house feeling new all year. This spring we traded our thick winter sweaters for sweatshirts and moved furniture around. Here are 5 super quick ways to bring spring into your living room. Tip number 1, change out your candles. Did you fill your home with gingerbread and pumpkin scented candles throughout the holidays? Now is the time to switch them out for spring scented candles. Tip number 2, put your prints on display. Even if you can't go on a spring vacation, you can create the illusion of being at one of your favorite locations by printing and exhibiting some of your best traveled images. Tip number 3, add some flowers in vases. Take advantage of all those beautiful bouquets at your local grocery store that sells daffodils, tulips, and even sprigs of eucalyptus. Add some Art Deco vases that add simple, clean forms and typically with a minimalistic appearance. It is great for spring. Why not go in your own backyard and trim a few flowers or whatever you're growing in your own garden? That is a perfect way to bring the beautiful outdoors indoors. Be creative and enjoy. Tip number 4, use some lighter fabrics. Put away the heavy faux fur throws and cable knit blankets and replace them with fabrics like cotton or linen so everything can be light and breezy. And lastly, tip number 5, add some greenery. You want to bring the outdoors indoors. Before you go out and buy anything, make sure you get the correct plants for your lighting so they can live till next spring. When the air becomes sharp and the light fades, it can be challenging to keep plants alive. Replace any house plants that have succumbed to the cold season with fresh plants. Having indoor plants can lighten up your mood and not just improve your space overall, but they can help with your mental and emotional health.
Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button and follow us because we'll have some more great tips coming in the future. And I hope you enjoyed it. Leave us a comment and let us know what you think. I'm Maria. Ciao for now.